This Stitch Fix box may be small, but it's kind of heavy. So if you want to see what's in my first December Stitch Fix, keep watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to do unboxings of clothing, and I like to go on shopping trips and do shopping hauls and try-ons and all those fun things. If you like that kind of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button. If you hit the notification bell, then YouTube will always let you know when I put out a new video. If you like this video, please give me the like. Leave me a comment. All of those things help me grow my channel and help YouTube know to share it with people who like the kind of things that you like. So I appreciate it when you do those things, and I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my video. Stitch Fix, they're doing all kinds of things these days. It used to be 5 items and now it can be up to 8. I think they let everybody choose 8 items from their preview. They send you a preview of 10 items. They do charge a styling fee unless you've been grandfathered into the Style Pass. The styling fee is $20. And from my preview, I think I chose one thing, if I recall correctly. They do send you a bag to return your things. They had been sending a label, but the label is on the bag now. They were separate for a while because they were giving you different options in terms of how you wanted to return things, so I don't know if that's changed. They've also started putting coupons in the box, and they still make this adorable little bundle. All right, so let's see what we've got. If you have not tried Stitch Fix before, I will leave my link below in the description and the first comment, and that will give you $25 off your first fix. So that would essentially waive your styling fee and give you $25 towards anything you purchase. All right, on top, we have got a burgundy top by Staccato. It is the Verity long sleeve knit top. I have a number of tops in this color, but I like the kind of cut out twisty detail there. It's very soft. Let's see what it's made of. 65 polyester, 20 rayon, 9 spandex. That doesn't add up. Anyway, very pretty color, nice and soft, nice style. Next, we've got the CECE Sportswear Sequin LS Polo Top. I'm not sure what LS stands for, but I had been asking for sparkly things for the holidays. So this is an interesting look because the polo part of it, you know, the collar and the V-neck makes it casual, but then it's got all these sparkles. So that's an interesting combination. Okay, and then up next by Market and Spruce, we have the Beth V-neck Terry Tunic, and it's got kind of a banded bottom, a slit on the side. It's French terry, pretty color. All right, then we've got the We Wander Performance Rib Track Stripe Wide Leg Pant. I am not a lover of the wide leg, so these are probably going to be a no. They're like track pant. I know that's real in right now, but I'm not a fan of the track pant. We'll try them on. I like casual loungewear. So, and then last we've got the Curvy High Rise Legging by 7. So it's got a double button, fake pockets in the front, except for this little tiny one, which is literally, that's how deep it is one knuckle legging. So it's basically a skinny, which I like the front the double button. You know I'm a sucker for a double button, but I really have not wanted to add any skinny jeans to my wardrobe. So good picks for sure. I cannot remember. None of these look familiar. So let's see what my stylist says. You do get a dedicated stylist, and my stylist's name is Marcia. She's been my stylist for a few years, and I've been really, really happy with her. Things were really bumpy before she took over. Happy December and welcome to Fix number 124. That is crazy. I've been doing Stitch Fix for a little over 5 years, and I usually get them like every 2 to 3 weeks, so that's why I have so many. I hope that you had a terrific Thanksgiving with your family. I did. It was lovely. It was my grandson Enzo's first Thanksgiving. He'll be 6 months tomorrow. So he didn't get to partake in any of the yummy food, but he did have a good time. And my other 2 children and their significant others were there, and then a couple friends, and we missed my oldest, who was not able to make it home. We missed him a lot, but we had a great Thanksgiving. How was your Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comments below. I did not see a specific request, but remember that you were looking for something last time with sparkle for the holidays, so I found the sequin top from CECE for you to try with black coated jeans or dark wash denim. I also added the burgundy knit top from Staccato to try with the jeans that you chose from 7. I chose those jeans. I chose those skinny jeans. Okay, no one to blame but myself. The neckline detail gives it some character, and I know that you love this color. I also paired the jewel tone purple sweatshirt with the black track pants for a fun casual outfit option for this winter when you just want to stay in and cozy for the day. Oh, I like that wording. Stay in and cozy for the day. I'm going to stay in and cozy for the day. I love that. I hope that you love these options, so I look forward to your feedback and ideas for your next fix as we head into the winter months. We are heading into the winter months. If you're new to my channel, I live in Colorado, and this last week we got our first snow, and we got about 6 to 8 inches where I live. So it was a good snow. Our official first snow was actually a few days before that, but that was literally a dusting. I think it was just like a couple tenths of an inch out at the airport, but this was a good solid snow, and we need the moisture. So I very casual today. I will show you real quick. It's a Soma loungewear outfit. It is a Saturday, and I am working feverishly to finish the cross-stitch stocking that I'm making for my grandson Enzo, and that has been my focus today. So started watching him the week before Thanksgiving. My daughter went back to work, so she worked for a week, then had a week off. She's a teacher. And then we watched him last week, and I've got him. I'll be having him for at least 3 days a week until Christmas, and then after that. So that's what's going on with me. What's going on with you? Let's get started. So this is my outfit of the day. It's this wine-colored Soma loungewear. It's jogger pants. It's in this really yummy, soft, cozy fabric. The top does come down pretty low, lower in the back, and it is one of my favorite things to wear. I have it in navy blue as well. So that's my outfit of the day and just my Uggs. Let's get started. Outfit number 1. I am wearing the jeans and the top by Staccato. So the jeans, they're skinny jeans. They're really cute. I just don't really feel like I need any more skinny jeans. I have a ton. I love the look. You know, I think they look really good. But I'm getting to the point where it's like, I don't want to be constricted. That's the thing about skinny jeans is they feel very constricting. I hate the wide leg pants. So what my jam has been lately has been like a boot cut or a straight leg. Those are the styles that I'm liking best. I love the look of a skinny jean. I don't think I will ever stop loving the look of a skinny jean, but I love the double button detail. Belly button is like a little bit above, so this is a mid-rise, and I do prefer a high rise because this rise tends to give me some muffin top. So it says something about curvy, that it does something to make your butt look good. So those are the jeans. And I'll come up and adjust the camera so we can talk about the top. All right, so I think it is a cute look. I don't like how the fabric is folding. And when I put it on, I kind of straightened it out, but then just moving around, it just looks weird to me, especially because it folds more because of the twist on this side. It's very soft. Love the color. It's got a seam down the front that I don't love, but that would not be the deal breaker. I think the deal breaker is I don't like this, how that looks. I know it's nitpicky, but for me to add anything to my closet, I have to love it, and it has to be at an appealing price point. So this will probably be, my guess is, at a decent price point, but I know that I'm going to look in the mirror every time if I were to purchase this, and I would be like, that bugs me. Yeah. So that's the verdict on this first outfit. Let's keep going. So this is a sparkly top by CECE. It is a polo style with the collar, and it's cute. I don't love the polo style. I also don't love full-on sequins. I just feel like it really limits how much wear I would get out of it. I think if I had any holiday plans that I feel like this would be appropriate for, that would be one thing. But I mean, it is a very specific look, and like I said, I am not a fan of full-on sequins like this. And I feel like almost this shirt doesn't know what it wants to be. Does it want to be casual with the collar, or does it want to be super, dressy with all the sequins? Good news is I'm not feeling the sequins. It's lined, and I am not feeling any poking or anything like that. So this is the sequin top. I did get a top from Front Door Fashion that has like little crystals all over it, and I really like that. That's kind of like the perfect amount of sparkle for me. So this definitely fits the bill for some sparkle and shine, but it's going to be a no. I don't think I would get the wear out of it. So, all right. We have the track pants and that tunic try on. Okay, I kept on the jeans and tried on the tunic because I wanted to see kind of where it hit. And it's pretty color, like the V-neck. French terry isn't incredibly soft, but it's not really, to my definition, a tunic length. For me, a tunic length is going to come down below your crotch and below your bum. When I think of a tunic, that's what I'm thinking. And this does neither. So it's okay. I mean, it's pretty color, but not really anything special. So unfortunately, this is going to be a no too. Let's keep going. Last, we have the track pants, and I kept the tunic on just because from what I had, I thought that would be the best. I don't like these. Yeah, I don't think they're a flattering look. And, I do not like the wide leg look. It's just not a look that I have been able to jump on the bandwagon for. I'm going to adjust the camera and come up closer just so you can see more. It's got like a ribbed stripe down the sides. It's a pull-on. Hold on a second. So they're pretty long. I have on flats, and it's kind of dragging on the floor. It's kind of like that scuba material, which I like, but I just don't feel like this is a flattering look. Doesn't do anything for me. It just, and if you're just doing a cozy day in, I think that's fine. Although I would prefer joggers if I was doing a cozy day in. So let's do prices and a recap. Okay, so those were some fun picks. I think everything's going to go back, which is fine because, you know, it's the holidays and buying presents and decorations and things like that, and special holiday foods. So I think my budget would appreciate me not buying anything right now for myself. The We Wander Performaluxe Rib Track Stripe, that is a wide leg pant. This is the most, well, it's one of, there are two things in the box that are the same price that are most expensive. These are $69, and I just don't like that look. I know track pants are real popular right now, but they're just not resonating with me. So let me know what you think of the track pant trend. We've got the Market and Spruce Beth V-neck terry tunic in purple. This is $49. And you know, if I'm going to get a tunic, I want it longer. There was just nothing special about this. Really pretty color, but there was just nothing special about it that makes me want to own it. Now this surprised me. 7 Jeans. These are an inexpensive line of 7 for All Mankind, I'm pretty sure. And so I thought these were going to be more expensive. They are only $49, which I think is a great price. But like I said, I just don't need any more skinny jeans. I have got many, many, many skinnies. And the Staccato Verity long sleeve knit top in Burgundy, this is $45. You know, I just know that the way it lays would bug me. So I'm gonna send that back too. And then last we have the CECE Sequin LS, I wonder what LS stands for, polo top in black, and this is $69. And that's gonna go back. So, you know, good picks, but sometimes you just get a box where nothing works, and that's okay because there'll be another box coming. And I will probably wait until after the holidays to get another box, just because I'm gonna be busy with babysitting and preparing for the holidays, doing all the holiday things. And I actually had a couple jewelry companies offer to collaborate with me, and I turned them down because I said I don't know that I'm going to have the time to film and edit. So hopefully I'll see you in the new year. Have a happy holiday season. Whatever holidays you celebrate, I hope that you enjoy them and get to spend time with friends and family. And again, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. And don't forget to dress like you mean it.